2. Part 2. What should we do? You have to think of something. I know I could think. Charge everything, and then we can go kill him.
Actually, don't do that.
Oh fuck! What should we do then?
I got the AK-40 gun. More power guns.
That's not gonna shoot him. See.
Try again.
Oh, they got the princess. Got the princess. Oh,
Fuck!
Wait, he doesn't have legs or nothing?
He has legs like the doctor.
Oh no, you fucking kill it. What the fuck do we do now? I don't know. Just leave that fucking girl with him. He deserved to get that girl. We're not gonna get that girl. He gets to get that girl whenever he wants. The fuck? He could go get that girl whenever he wants. So we're gonna leave that woman. The fuck? John. We can't leave her. Yes, we could. Wait. Hang on, wait. Make a fucking leave her, God. The fucking leave her.
Big Mac's angry.
A lot of guns.
What's up, Big Mac?
To John, hang on, I got you. Get the fuck out of my friend, you son of a bitch.
Okay, he hit you.
It's Sam?
And 1 minute later.
Yeah.
What the fuck here? That's why. Look.
What do we do now? I don't know, we should fucking get him right now. Motherfucker, we should leave that girl. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, you guys are right.
Yeah.
Leave her. Wait, we're gonna fucking leave. We're gonna leave that.
The spaceship.
We're not gonna save that princess, Big Mac. We can leave her. We're not
going back home.
Why? We're Frank.
Actually, I'm Frank here. Look here, I'm a scientist.
If you're a scientist, scientists are evil. So you get out of our team, motherfucker.
I'm a nice one, man.
Fuck you!
I'm a nice one.
Get out of our team!
I'm a nice one.
Girl!
Lucky something shot you.
Oh.
Look here, the big giant. Dr. Walkie.
Oh.
They're coming with us. Yay.
No. Get back the fucking scientist, you son of a bitch. I got you now.
I'm a strong scientist. But this person.
Hey, you gotta make the parts into part 4. I can't make it to part 4. I can only make to part 1 and part 2. That's all.
Yeah, come with me. Let's see your ship prep. Wow, Big Mac. Danica. Fuck you. Here, go check on those kittens. I threw it over there.
Shit's gone.
Fuck.
The fuck, what is it?
Get your little thing, your ass out of the way.
Yo, dude,
Over here.
Yo, dude, it's gone, dude.
Over here.
Why should I never die fucking motherfucking day?
There's Doctor. I throw it over there.
The fuck? We can't defeat him now? What the fuck? The fuck, dude? Bring it! Pretty now, motherfucker! Motherfuckers. 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 Get away from me, you son of a bitch!
Yeah, Chuck, this part's gotta be funny. Get away.
Get away, you son of a bitch! Ah!
Look, he went up and his screen has warning.
Yeah.
Big Mac. Oh, fuck. Warning.
What's the warning?
I don't know, I can't wait. It's nice seeing you all.
Looks like that guy could have the time of his life. Hello, George.
A good one came back. Hey, guys.
Fuck you! Get out of the way, you fucking piss up! Come on!
Evil
Ah! Ah!
Has it for walking?
No, it doesn't have that. The fuck out of the way! Don't get out of my way! Fuck you! The fuck! Big Mac, let him go! Big Mac said that. Let him go!
I'll take your little messenger.
No, he's the main character.
And dog.
Ah! You can have to do nothing about this. I'll fucking kill your ass. Who the fuck are you?
I'm the good version. What you're saying?
Alright, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Don't climb on that tree. No. Don't climb on a tree. I'm serious. I'm serious. Oh, the evil one came. We're supposed to say this. Weezy, be the evil one. How John was defeating the evil scientist? Come on. Yeah, but the evil scientist didn't disappear. How this is the last part? Just said, I can help you. You might be angry. Be Big Mac. He was fighting.
Whoa!
Holy!
Be my guard.
You think you could get me? What the fuck? Come on, let's go! Oh no! All of them are getting beat up! Shut up! Say you got something! Come on, that's all the kittens with you. That's all the kittens.
Yeah. Oh fuck!
Add on him. The John.
Shut up!
What? That's all the kitties. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Wait. 5.
6. And John. Come on, evil scientist. Let's see what you got now.
What?
Let's see what you got now. Ah, fuck! Oh, get off!
Do you ball boy? Yeah.
Oh, fuck! Look out! Fuck!
Thanks.
Oh, shit! Get this off me! Fuck! Oh, fuck! Goodbye, come on, you little fucker! Come on, let's bring it! Shit! Oh, shit! Ah, fuck! Let's stop, fucker! Ah! Ah!
Come back.
Come back here. Fuck you. Let's bring it.
Shut your
Look out.
No, shut.
Look out. Look out. Helping Max, son. Now you make me angry. Stop. Shit, you're gonna die with me! Landed in lava. How'd they landed in lava? Yeah, but John survived. How'd the evil scientist died? The evil scientist is dead. I defeated him. Time to go home. That's all of it is. Please subscribe. Please subscribe down below. And please comment below if you would like to comment or subscribe below. If you would like this video, act like the video. Thank you for watching. Another episode. It's called Cats Rule.